Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very special and very useful for improving your English vocabulary. In this video, I will teach you 20 important English words for intermediate learners. I will explain each word in a simple Bangla, and after every word, I will give you an example sentence in English and explain that sentence in Bangla as well. So watch the full video carefully, note down the words and try to use them in your daily conversation. So let's get started. Number 11, develop. Develop শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে উন্নত করা. Develop means to grow or improve something. For example, you should develop your communication skills. তোমার যোগাযোগ দক্ষতা উন্নত করা উচিত. Number 12, believe. Believe শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে বিশ্বাস করা. Believe means to think something is true. For example, I believe in myself. আমি নিজের উপর বিশ্বাস করি. Number 13, difficult. Difficult শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে কঠিন. Difficult means not easy. For example, this exam was very difficult. এই পরীক্ষা খুব কঠিন ছিল. Number 14, environment. Environment শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে পরিবেশ. Environment means the surroundings where we live. For example, we must protect our environment. আমাদের পরিবেশ রক্ষা করতে হবে. Number 15, experience. Experience শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে অভিজ্ঞতা. Experience means knowledge gained from doing something. For example, she has a lot of teaching experience. তার অনেক শিক্ষাদানের অভিজ্ঞতা আছে. Number 16, decision. আমরা সবাই জানি decision শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে সিদ্ধান্ত. Decision means choosing something. For example, it was a difficult decision to leave the job. চাকরি ছাড়ার সিদ্ধান্তটি কঠিন ছিল. Number 17, manage. Manage means পরিচালনা করা অথবা কোনো কিছু সামলানো. Manage means to handle something successfully. For example, he can manage his time very well. সে তার সময় খুব ভালোভাবে পরিচালনা করতে পারে. Number 18, situation. আমরা সবাই জানি situation অর্থ কি? পরিস্থিতি. Situation means a condition or state at a particular time. For example, the situation is getting better. পরিস্থিতি ধীরে ধীরে ভালো হচ্ছে. Number 19, support. Support অর্থ হচ্ছে সমর্থন করা অথবা সাহায্য করা. Support means to help someone. For example, my family always supports me. আমার পরিবার সব সময় আমাকে সমর্থন করে. Number 20, inspire. Inspire তো হচ্ছে অনুপ্রাণিত করা. Inspire means to motivate someone to do something good. For example, you can say her story inspired me a lot. তার গল্প আমাকে অনেক অনুপ্রাণিত করেছে. So these were 20 important English words for intermediate learners. If you really want to improve your vocabulary, don't just watch this video. Write these words in your notebook, make your own sentences and try to use them in your daily conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you very much for watching this video.